Forgotten username recovery failed on Zogo Fix. If your Zogo username recovery keeps failing, don't worry, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because they assume Zogo still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Zogo now relies on your registered email as the main login credential. That's why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Zogo app and enter the email link to your account instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, check your inbox for past messages from Zogo, such as notifications, achievement alerts, or account updates. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your registered email. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if the email does arrive immediately. Step 3. If you originally signed up using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, log in using that same method. Many failed recovery attempts happen because users switch login methods. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Zogo support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that the forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. Zogo removed usernames to streamline login and improve security. So don't worry, your account and rewards are safe. Use the registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back on Zogo earning points in no time.